Naija, and welcome to your Health Corner on top the Good Morning Naija show with me, myself, and I, the one and only Dr. Adora. The matter we dey ground this week, it concerns abdominal pain. A lot of adults, abdominal pain na pain wey person dey get for inside the belly, and plenty adults they receive this pain for one reason or the other. So therefore, I want to throw more light on top the matter, make you understand where your own abdominal pain they come from. Well, this abdominal pain, if it dey very chinkini, that na small, or if it dey very ogbonge, very big, that na severe acute pain. And most of the time, they call them non-specific, to say there are different things they cause them for inside our body. And many organs, they inside the abdominal cavity. That's now where the abdomen dey. So sometimes this pain is directly related to one specific organ. For example, the bladder or the ovary. While some other times it dey more diffuse, unto say if it dey everywhere and you know get one specific place where if you touch say na here they pain me. Usually this abdominal pain it start for inside the digestive system. For example, the pain waiting for cause and fit be appendicitis, that na inflammation of the appendix. Or if it be say you get diarrhea and it make all your intestines so they catch themselves, called cramping. Or if it be say you don't chop food, we get poison for inside. Then the type of the pain or where the pain they located. Now if you help the doctor find out waiting they cause this pain. On top that one, even as the pain take day, whether it's sharp, dull, or whatever it take be, or as it take long, all this one if you consider them to find out exactly waiting they make this pain happen. It gets some kind characteristics, that's not general characteristics where they happen to abdominal pain. Not to say, if you get this abdominal pain, you fit fall into any of this line where I want to talk. So the first one are the character of the pain. Abdominal pain, if it dey sharp, if it dey dull, or just dey there. You not be like say they feel anything, or not to, just dey for middle. Then if it be like say person they choke you with knife, you understand that kind of pain. Or if it be like say the thing they cramp, maybe it go catch you, release you, catch you, release you. Or if it they like say that they twist your intestine, or like say person they choke you with needle. Different type of other pain fit dey o. If it be say I never called the one where you dey experience. Then on top that one, the duration of the pain, that now how long the pain they last. Abdominal pain fit dey brief, lasting for like few minutes. Then if it just stand up for there for like several hours or pass like that, then sometimes if it come strongly for a while, then after some time, it will come release you small for some time. You get different things where they cause this abdominal pain, or they call them triggering events. And the pain, if it dey worse, or if it dey relieved by certain events. For example, if you just chop food finish, the thing fit become worse. Or if you just go, do number 2 for inside toilet, that one fit make and day better. Then for some people, now when they don't vomit, the abdominal pain will come down. Or when they lie down, it will come day worse. This abdominal pain, if it make person to day one place, may not move in body at all. Or if it make you day very restless, so to sit down one place, go they hard you go just they walk up and down, walk up and down, up and down. The healthcare professional, that the doctor, he won't work now to try to pinpoint the area of your abdomen where that pain they start from, when you want to determine the cause of the abdominal pain. And this one, they fit do them most of the time. Now questions where they go ask you. And the kind of questions, one of them now say, when did you first feel this pain? Where you feel them? As in the first time where you feel the pain, where be the first place where you feel them? Then on top of that one, they will come examine your abdomen. They go, they press different areas. If you notice, say, if you complain about abdominal pain, if you go meet doctor, they will tell you, make you lie down on top table. They will come, they press different areas to find out the place where you do expect, where you experience the pain. They'll even palpate. Now, so doctor, they call them, they palpate the area to know the exact location. And if any organ day where this thing they affect. Well, now here I go back break on top this matter. If you want to hear more on top this abdominal pain matter, not try yourself. Make sure say you tune in tomorrow, same time, make I decipher some things, give you. My name is still Dr. Adora, and this is your Health Corner on top Good Morning Naija show.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.